Hi guys, welcome back to Nova Scotia. Tonight I am going to be combining two favourite Trini foods, hops bread and kachori. I thought that the nice soft hops bread would work really well with the crunchiness of the kachori, so we're going to see how that goes. In my bowl here I just have my flour and my sugar. And in the little jug next to it I have my water, my milk, my butter. I haven't added any extra salt into the flour because my butter is salted. And I also find that my flour, organic flour, actually requires a little bit more liquid, so I have a little extra water in there too. So I will crack on with this and I will be back to you shortly. So I have my hops bread here rising. I'll just cover that up and that can carry on. Over here I have my kachori ingredients, which is my chickpeas or chana and yellow split peas. My green seasoning, which I find if I make it in batches and then put it in ice cube trays, that really works well for us. My flour, which is 3/4 of a cup, and my spices, which is some cumin or gira, and the other one in there is garam masala. I actually don't have any coriander at the moment, I'm completely out, and a little bit of salt. The chickpeas and the yellow split peas are still whole, so I'm going to grind them up just in a moment. So to save you the racket of my baby bullet, I shall crack on with that. Okay, so I've whizzed up all the chickpeas or chana and the yellow split peas. You need to remember when you whiz these up, guys, that they have to be fine. You want to be able to enjoy your kachori and not have to take a quick trip to the dentist. So in there I'm going to put the flour, just mix that up really well, and the green seasoning, as much of that as we can, and then we're going to go in with our hands. I just wanted to mention I've also made a tamarind chutney to go with our hops bread and kachori. So we'll just mix that up. You want a nice soft paste, and we will get back to you when that's done. Okay, when all of your kachoris are made, you have to make little burger shapes and do them quite thinly so they're cooked all the way through. You're going to fry them in a medium-high heat until they are nice and crispy on both sides. I'll just take you in a little bit closer there. They're steaming up. And when they're crispy on both sides, I just transfer them to a baking tray just for them to keep warm. So there they are, the finished kachori and hops bread. And I have got one over here already. And we're going to give that a try. Just hold on, folks, I'm doing all this one-handed. And that is absolutely super delicious. It's spicy and the bun is soft and the kachori is crunchy as well. It's a winning combination, guys. Give it a try. All the recipes are on Taste of Trini's channel. Just do the search and you'll find them. And while you're there, subscribe and give her a big thumbs up. Bye now.